powder supplements are convenient, versatile, and fast-absorbing, perfect for boosting energy, recovery, and daily nutrition. They can be easily mixed into water, smoothies, or shakes, making them a popular choice for health-conscious consumers. At NutraLab, we're fully equipped with complete powder supplement manufacturing and packaging solutions. Our bottling solutions ensure your supplements are safely packaged and ready for retail. We also offer flexible pouch packaging to meet diverse consumer preferences. For single-serving convenience, our sachet packaging is a popular choice. And for portability and on-the-go nutrition, we provide stick pack solutions. This wide range of packaging options gives our private label clients the confidence to bring their unique products to market. NutraLab, your trusted partner in made-in-Canada supplement manufacturing.